Nangita ba ka o a venue for your beach wedding? So, para nako, guys, this is really a perfect venue for a beach wedding. So, look at that. The scenery, the ambience is so beautiful. By the way, this is located at Mactan, New Town, here in Lapu-Lapu, Cebu City. Look at that. You can have all the great views here, guys.